They call it a gift, this pulling of threads, stitching two souls till the fabric turns red. I gave you the harvest, I gave you the grain, but you only thirst for the salt in my pain. No mercy. You built a temple on a shifting dune and howled like a dog at a splintered moon. The contract is broken, the signature fell. There is no mercy in the way that we bleed, just a garden of iron choked by the weeds. Love is a sickness, a debt never paid.